Well, on behalf of the Canadian Angus Association, we are excited to join a partnership with the Team Koe here this year for the 2020 and 2021 curling season. And that passion, dedication, and commitment is certainly shared by our members in the Angus community in terms of the beef, the Angus genetics they produce.
Thanks, Miles. Thanks, Miles. And we're really pumped because this year it's a little bit different with COVID. All of our events are in Alberta, so we're going to be driving to most of our events, and we're going to be being fueled by Canadian Angus. So we're going to be taking some Canadian Angus on the road and being able to cook a little bit. I know a few of us like to cook on the team, so we'll be cooking up some prime cuts of some of the best quality beef in all of the country, and we're looking forward to it's going to be fueling us to victory this year. So looking forward to taking part.